Hey, if you are learning French right now, or if you are planning to learn French in future, especially as a beginner, then in this video, I'm going to share about my top 3 recommended French books for beginners. So this is my recommendation. Everyone has its own recommendation, but I'm 100% sure that if you study these books, then definitely you will love it and you will learn French quickly and effectively. So before I share about my recommended books, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. So my first recommended French book is this, French for Dummies. So this book has written by 4 authors, and this is one of the best books I have ever read as a French beginner. You know, this book is very easy to understand, and the way authors have explained everything in this book is very, simple to understand. So this book is divided into 4 parts and it has total 21 chapters. And the best part of this book is that you will not only learn grammar, but you will also learn about like how you can make a small talk with somebody in French in a French speaking country, or suppose how you can ask for directions to a stranger if you are in a foreign land, or like if you are going to a restaurant, so how you can order a food in a French restaurant. If you are going for a shopping, then what kind of vocabulary is needed over there. Then if you are planning a trip, then how you will deal with money in a foreign land, how you can find an accommodation in a French speaking country, what kind of conversation you will need to have over there, and handling emergencies, how you can handle the emergencies, and so many other things are given in this book. So this is the best part of this book. So this book will help you to master basic grammar, verb conjugations, vocabulary and pronunciations. It will also help you to speak basic French. I will also tell you how I got to know about this book, from where I bought it. So when I was learning French, so there was one book fair which was going on at that time at my institution. So I was looking for some books. So at that time I came across with this wonderful book. And the interesting thing is I did not have enough money to buy this book at that time. So what I did, I borrowed some money from my friend. So just because of him, I was able to buy this book. So I'm still very thankful to him that he gave me that extra money to buy this wonderful book. So if you are a beginner, then you should start learning French from this book. My second recommended French book is this, Apprenons le français. Apprenons le français. So this book is written by 2 Indian authors, and this book has total 5 levels, from level 0 till level 4. All the levels of this book are being taught in the Indian schools. See, I have gone through so many French books which are being taught in many Indian schools, but this is my favorite. And why? Because in each chapter the grammar is explained in a very proper way, but in other French books they do not explain the grammar in a clear way. So that makes it very difficult for students to understand the concept. And more than 80% French teachers recommend this French book in the Indian schools. So in this book you will find the text first in the chapter, then you will learn the grammar part, then you will have to do some exercises. And so this book comes with a CD as well, so you can listen to French while reading. If you are a school student, then you should start learning from this book. Now my third recommendation is for this book, Cosmopolite. So this book has total 6 levels, okay, right from A1 to C2. You must be knowing that there are 6 levels in French, like A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. So this book has been recommended by French Embassy School, and this book is recommended especially for those students who are preparing for one of these levels, because this book covers all the aspects of a language like reading, writing, listening and speaking. In each chapter you will also get to know the culture of France. In each chapter you will also find the exercises which are based on DELF examination. DELF is a French examination which is internationally recognized. This book also comes with a CD, so you can also listen to French. If you are preparing for any level, then this book will help you to clear your level. So if you want to buy one of these books, then I will put a link of these books in my description so you can buy from there. Which is your favorite French book? Do let me know in the comment, and also please do like this video.